Hey YouTube family, this is RB the Garden Nanny. I am going to be working in the backyard today. I had someone come yesterday and remove all those limbs that had fallen from my pine tree. And they just cut them all up, took all the debris that was piled up in my vegetable garden, and so all that stuff is gone. So I am very excited about that, as you can tell. And so today's project will be edging my beds. It's going to be a process, but hey, I'm ready for the challenge. It's going to be 60 something degrees outside. I cannot believe it, but we are in March and it's gonna be daylight savings time shortly. So let's get ready, I know I'm ready. So let's just see what I can get done today. Make sure I have everything. So I need my watch. It's going to be a beautiful day. Siri said currently 52 degrees. I don't know. Do you all feel like when you go outside, when you first initially go outside, that it feels like it's 20? It feels like it's 20 something. I know by the time I get out there and start working, I'm gonna start pulling stuff off. But right now, it just feels like it's freezing. I have on enough clothes. All right. Why I have curve. It just looks weird. So I'm gonna have to change that out of the jacket. It's important at this point, when you have dug up the sod, that you take the sod out of the beds. You don't want grass growing in your beds, giving you more work. So it's important to just smooth all of that out and make sure that you get as much as you can. It just makes for a nicer bed. This is a close-up view of my edger. I like the fact that you can just place your foot down on this little contraption and push out or push forward the side. And yeah, I really like this tool, so I will place a link, if I can find one, in the bottom of the description. And see, I got mine at True Value Hardware, so if you have a True Value Hardware, you might want to check there. I started over here, but I continued this way. And this part is what you saw in the video, but it wasn't at a great angle. But I took out a patch of soil that was here, and now this goes in a curve instead of a funky swirl, and that softens that way. And then I continued, I may straighten that into a curve instead of a, I don't like a whole bunch of curves, and that's kind of different, so I may change that. We'll see. But now I need to just smooth out the dirt. That is my video for today. Hope that this has helped someone with edging, and I will see you in the next video.